Most solar design mistakes don't happen on the roof. They happen in the planning phase. Teams are still using outdated design methods that can't match today's demand for accuracy and speed. The solar industry has evolved, but many installers still rely on manual drawings and scattered data. The back and forth between surveyors and designers creates a bottleneck that slows everything down. Roof dimensions, shading, and panel placement all require extreme precision in today's market. Manual processes simply cannot keep up as competition increases. They are the real bottleneck. Let's look at a typical workflow. A lead comes in and the clock starts ticking immediately. But the team collects incomplete site data and the errors begin to snowball. Shading is underestimated, and the panel layout doesn't fit the actual roof dimensions. The simulation is inaccurate, the proposal gets delayed, and the customer moves to a competitor. That's where Sunbase comes in. It automates the entire solar design process from start to finish. It starts with instant address lookup and precision roof drawing tools that save hours of manual work. Sunbase handles auto panel placement and LiDAR-based shading detection with incredible accuracy. Even complex tree modeling and multiple roof face layouts are handled in just a few clicks. You get production simulations, CAD downloads, and instant proposal generation in one place. When choosing your solar design software, keep this 9-point checklist in mind. First, you need accurate roof mapping and auto panel placement for both portrait and landscape. Second, ensure it has LiDAR shading analysis and detailed tree modeling for height and diameter. Third, look for precise production simulations and compatibility with a full library of hardware. Fourth, you need seamless proposal integration and advanced financial modeling tools. Finally, make sure it syncs with your project management to keep the entire team on track. With the right tools, your design workflow becomes faster and easier for both beginners and experts. Stop letting manual processes slow you down. Start delivering proposals that win. Visit Sunbase today and take your solar business to the next level. Thanks for watching.